In this lesson, we'll build an intuitive picture of common wireless network topologies. Wireless topology describes how radios are arranged and how they talk to each other. We will explore ad hoc, infrastructure, point-to-point, point-to-multipoint, and mesh, ad hoc, also called peer-to-peer. Every node talks directly to any other in range. No access point or central controller. Great for small groups, but coordinating many peers gets hard. Watch a packet go directly from one node to another. Infrastructure or star topology. All clients connect to a central access point. The access point forwards traffic between clients and usually to a wired network or the internet. Centralized control and easier roaming, but if the access point fails, Wi-Fi drops. Let's send a packet from one client to another via the access point. And here is the upstream connection to a wired LAN or internet. Point-to-point, a dedicated wireless link between exactly two nodes. Often used to bridge two buildings or sites with a stable, high-bandwidth wireless cable. The antennas are directional and aimed at each other. Watch a steady stream across the link. Point-to-multipoint, one central hub with many remote stations. Each remote speaks only to the hub, not to each other. This powers wireless internet distribution, one base station with multiple subscribers. We will send a packet from the hub out to a subscriber. Mesh networks. Every node can relay for others. If one node fails, the mesh self-heals by finding alternative paths. We will route a packet across the grid, then simulate a node failure and watch the path reroute. First, packet path across the mesh. Now, a node fails, and the packet takes an alternate route. Let's compare these topologies at a glance. Ad hoc has no central controller, scales to small groups, and has low resilience. Infrastructure is centralized, scales by adding access points with medium resilience. Point-to-point is a dedicated two-node link with high link quality. Point-to-multipoint is centralized at a hub with many nodes, but a single hub can be a point of failure. Mesh is distributed, scales well, and is highly resilient thanks to self-healing. Which topology should you choose? It depends on range, number of nodes, mobility, resilience, and whether you need a wired backbone. Thanks for watching.